Let's now look at the acts and live commentary features in Supreme Today AI.
From the home screen, tap on Advanced Search. By default, it opens in the Judgment tab, but along the top, you'll see other options as well. Acts, Commentary, Short Commentary, and Circulars and Notifications. Let's start with Acts. Once you select the Acts tab,
Here you'll find the full text of both central and state statutes covering major legislations like the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS, along with others such as CPC, TPA, NI Act, etc.
let's select BNSS as an example. Once opened, you'll see all the sections. Sections that has live commentary available will appear highlighted in blue. Simply click on a highlighted section, say Section 2, and the software will generate a live commentary using its legal AI engine. This commentary connects the BEAR Act to real, recent judgments from the Honorable Supreme Court and various high courts, offering case-based interpretation for each section. At the bottom, you can also see related judgments displayed. It's automatically curated to provide legal clarity, judgment support, and deeper understanding. You can also click the AI Assistant button at the top of the page. This opens a side panel that shows key points of the Act automatically and lets you ask questions about the Act or any specific section, instantly answered using AI trained on authoritative legal sources. Now let's move to the Commentary tab. Once you open it, you'll see a list of major legal commentaries. Select any one to get started. Inside, you'll see the sections laid out just like in the Acts tab. Tap on any section to open its expert-written commentary, including detailed insights, statutory analysis, and supporting case law where relevant. These commentaries are written by leading legal authors and offer valuable practical understanding of how the law is applied. Next is the Short Commentary tab. This section gives you condensed versions of the same legal commentary. Ideal when you're short on time and need a quicker overview of a section or concept. Finally, we have the Circulars and Notifications tab. In this tab, we've provided access to official circulars, government gazette notifications, and a variety of important documents and updates to keep you informed. You can search by keyword or select the year to filter results. Whether you're interpreting complex sections, looking up expert commentary, or staying updated with official circulars, these tools are built to make your legal research faster, smarter, and more reliable.